Okay, hi everybody. I'm here at Caleb's house. How old are you now?
6.
He
Best
just turned
friend.
he just turned 6 2 days ago, and he's going to have visitors come over also today. And what are you doing?
Playing Roblox, but
You say hello to my followers so that we can post this on YouTube later.
hello followers! Akala ko sawang-sawa ka na.
Because you wanted me to post a video on YouTube, diba?
Ayun si Buddy, hindi ako makaka-jump scare.
He keeps on playing Roblox, but he just started school last Thursday also. What's the name of your teachers?
Missy, like this.
Missy or SY?
Ano? S-double-E.
S-double-E. How about your computer teacher? What's
Miss
his
Tobania.
Miss or
Ay,
Mister?
Mr. Tobania.
And then your Lauscher.
Wang Lauscher.
Wang Lauscher.
Di ako makahuli ni Buddy.
Is the Wang of Wang Lauscher the same as Huang Yongming or no?
Yeah, it's the same.
Is the same?
Eh kasi may Wang sa una.
No, baka different yung Wang niya.
Different. Ayun, hindi ako makahuli
Okay,
ni
say
Buddy.
goodbye na to our followers.
Goodbye followers, lalaro busy pa ako.
Okay, bye.